What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is currently raining outside of my garage. The seasons are definitely changing, and so now it's time to do some inexpensive yet important maintenance on the 4Runner. So in today's video, we'll be installing the best, most effective wiper blades onto our 5th gen 4Runner. So for years, I have overpaid for wiper blades. I'll walk out of the automotive parts store, pop off my worn out OEM blades, pop on some fancy new silicone or Teflon blades. I cycle these in the parking lot, and initially I'm impressed. They clean well, my windshield appears, completely transparent. Eventually I'll get on the highway and get above 55 miles per hour, and I start to notice that the blades aren't contacting well on the bottom of my windshield, or they start to bounce and skip a little over the glass. Now, some silicone blades are great and can last a long time, but if they aren't contacting your windshield perfectly, then they aren't doing their job. Aftermarket blades are unfortunately built with universal dimensions. They usually aren't the perfect shape for our windshield, or the design of the actual holder itself catches air at higher speeds. The best fit or design for our windshields, I feel, are the OEM blades from Toyota. These were matched to the vehicle, and instead of replacing the whole entire arm, you only need to replace the insert, saving you a lot of money. I will leave part numbers to both the full blades and the inserts in the description below this video. The inserts will cost you like $10 or less from the dealer, and I honestly recommend replacing them probably every year. All right, let's jump into the video and I'll show you how to replace these blades and inserts. All right, so to remove these wiper blades, we'll just need two things. That's a towel and a flathead screwdriver. I'll show you why this towel is very important. All right, so to replace the insert or the entire blade, we need to remove this blade first. So what we'll do is we'll take our flathead screwdriver, we'll just pop it in under here. We're gonna pop this part up. It will come loose, flip this part up. This is where our towel will come in. We're gonna lift this up off the windshield, and we're just gonna pull it this way, put it off to the side. We'll put this towel in here so this doesn't come directly against our glass. Some people will leave this actually up, but if you knock it, it's spring loaded. It's gonna snap, boom, smash your windshield or put a crack in it. So just put a towel on there, just put it down flat like this, then no accidents can happen. Okay, so looking at our wiper blade here, you'll notice one side kind of has a thicker rubber stopper piece on it and the other side doesn't. So what you want to do is grab onto this kind of thick piece here and just pull, and it will actually come loose and slide right out. Great, so now we've got that out. Now what we want to do is take this metal insert piece out, peel it from each side. It will come out. Great, and so you'll notice at the ends here, we have these two parts. So make sure that you install these correctly. Don't have them upside down and try to put them in the blade, otherwise it won't contact your window correctly. But just take these parts. You can do them one at a time. Feed them in and along. And then we'll repeat that process on this side here. Now this might take you a minute or two. There we go. Then once we got them in the channel, we'll slide it in the same way we just pulled it out. Looks good. Keep feeding it. Great. Then this rubber stopper end, you'll just push and it will kind of clip into place. Great. So we're now ready to install this back on our windshield. All right, so now we're ready to put this wiper blade back on. So just make sure that this is flipped up. We'll just slide this in, push it, click this down, and you are all set. Okay, so repeat that process for the passenger side. Then coming to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice your wiper blade is tucked up under here. You'll need to start your engine, turn on your wiper blade. This will get it to come down from inside that channel. Then turn your vehicle off mid-stroke, and that will stop the wiper blade. All right, so to get this wiper blade off, it's a little different. What you want to do is flip it up and then pull it this way, and then it should come loose. It might stick on there pretty good, so just give it a little bit of force, and then it should pop out this way. Now this can snap down and hit your window in the back here, but it is made out of plastic, so it's not as dangerous. It likely wouldn't break it, but I'll still put something in there just to protect it. All right, so this one's actually quite easy. It's a little bit different though. You don't have that rubber stopper on the end, so what you do is you just kind of pull it down and slide it out, and it will come free. And then the same thing, you want to pull out this metal piece. You'll have two of these. There is a slight curve to these two, so make sure they're on there correctly. All right, then we'll just slide these into that top channel, just like we did on the front. Great, then once we got it in place, we can start sliding it in. Perfect, there we go. We got it installed, so let's put it back in. All right, so same way we took it out, we'll put it back in. So just pull that arm up, push into that channel, and it should click in. And then you'll start your engine and turn off your wiper blades, and they should tuck back up under into that channel. All right, guys, I hope you found that video useful. If you did find this content useful, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye now.